Alright, so we're going to, I don't really have nothing planned until Paul gets here. But like last night on the live stream, I was taking apart wire. I disassembled a couple of harnesses I had and broke them down to wire. So I've still got this one. This one's like the harness for my the windows and stuff. I really only need 2 plugs off of it, but I'll delume it and take the stuff I need. And then over here we have the rear taillight harness, and basically I'll cut off all the plugs, and then I've got a box over there. That box has every like all the plugs and stuff in case any FIERO enthusiasts are looking for a certain plug. I most likely have it because I hoard that shit. But yeah, then all this wiring crap will be out of my way. Maybe if we got time, we can wire up my lights. These are the interior lights. They work pretty good. They were only like, shit you not, like $10 or I think like $11 straight from China. So, but all right, let's just start disassembling this shit. Try and get this place cleaned up a bit because it's a disaster. Because we're gonna start, wiring's getting finished up here. We're like almost done with wiring on my side. We still got a lot of wiring to do on his car, but I want to get my garage here cleaned up so that way when we go into the next phase of working on the FIERO, I don't have a bunch of fucking wiring shit hanging around. So, all right, let's get to it. All right, well, I ended up doing a little bit more, kind of got off track. I removed the extra bus that was on there. I mean, it doesn't look the greatest because of the old setup. They kind of show through now, but and then I moved the switches wires to the front because I'm going to be getting rid of this. I'm going to redo it. I'm going to have it on the dash. And I might do that tonight. We'll see. Or I'm just going to do some planning. We'll see. I ran. They're not permanently ran, but it's just the window stuff, so I can do some testing with that. Trying to think, what else did I do? Oh, I ran the lights. Got them there, and then there's 2 up in there. So, but yeah, that's what I got so far. We'll see what else I get in there. All right, let's keep going. Alright, after you just watched me struggle, put the fucking dash in. Should be easy. And there's supposed to be like an alignment pin right here, so I had to notch that out to make room for the the alignment pin. So hopefully now it should go on super easy. That was the only thing that I saw, other than it hits this thing a little bit. So I'll have to trim that plate up. But yeah, figured give you a quick update on the reason why you should never force anything. Luckily I didn't break it, but alright, let's get this thing thrown back on there and find out what else I gotta figure out. So, alright, let's do that. Alright, got it in. Way easier now that I took out there's an alignment pin up in the middle, so now that that's out, it was super easy. See how those lights look. Oh yeah. I'll probably have to move that one because that one's pretty visible. I suppose that one is too. So we might have to find different spots for those ones, but no big deal. And the game plan is I have to nip off this corner here in order for this guy to fit in there. But that'll fit in there, and then I'll put my switches somewhere along this thing somewhere. So, but alright, let's probably just nip off this corner and see what that looks like. So, alright, let's do that. Alright, gotta promote, but a shameless plug, we'll call it. I'm all about those. So I'm thinking this is where I'll put the switches down here, and then I have indicator lights coming, and I'll probably put those right there. We'll see. I could do like them all lined up over here maybe. Who knows? You know, mount them like that, mount them like that. Kind of think that would be cool, but But alright, yeah. I mean, that's pretty much probably going to be it for this one. We got the interior lights done. We got this thing rerouted. We got these wires all sorted out. But yeah. And then we got this pile of wires now. So. But alright, I think that's going to be it for this one. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.